Good morning, dear student. Today topic preparation of chemical properties of aldehydes and ketones. So chemical preparation of aldehydes, ketones and physical properties completed. Next one, chemical properties of aldehydes and ketones. So chemical properties of aldehyde ketones. First one is addition of hydrogen cyanide. Addition of hydrogen cyanide. So aldehyde to react with hydrogen cyanide. Aldehyde to react with hydrogen cyanide and to formation. This is the sign to attack the double bond shifted the O minus and to remaining H plus ion attack the cyanide. This is the aldehyde cyanohydrine. This is the aldehyde cyanohydrine. Cyanohydrine, aldehyde cyanohydrine means aldehyde to react with hydrogen cyanide and to formation aldehyde cyanohydrines. Next ketone, ketone to react with hydrogen cyanide and to formation ketone cyanohydrine and to formation ketone cyanohydrine. Ketone to react with hydrogen cyanide. So double bond shifted the O minus, remaining H plus ion C minus. H plus ion attack the O minus oxygen minus and to formation remaining Cn minus attack the carbon. This is the formation ketone cyanohydrine. So this is the addition of hydrogen cyanide, aldehydes and ketones. So second one is chemical properties, addition of sodium bisulfite. లేదా addition of sodium hydrogen sulfide. Sodium hydrogen sulfide. So aldehyde to react with sodium hydrogen sulfide and to formation, this is the aldehyde sodium bisulfide. This is the aldehyde sodium bisulfide. Aldehyde sodium bisulfide. This is the aldehyde formation. Aldehyde to react with sodium hydrogen sulfide and to formation aldehyde sodium bisulfide. So this is second one is ketone. Ketone RC or double bond O, ketone to react with sodium hydrogen sulfide and to formation or Cr and to remaining OH and to SO3Na. This is the ketone sodium bisulfide. This is the ketone sodium bisulfide. Ketone to react with sodium hydrogen sulfide and to formation ketone sodium bisulfide. Aldehyde to react with sodium hydrogen sulfide to formation aldehyde sodium bisulfide. This is the ketone sodium bisulfide. So addition of sodium bisulfide. Next third one. First one is addition of hydrogen cyanide. Second one is addition of sodium bisulfide. And third one addition of alcohol. So third one addition of Grignard reagent. RMGX. This is the Grignard reagent. Aldehyde to react with RMGX and to formation RCH to OMGX again to the remaining R attacking. So this is the hydrolysis process. Again to formation RCH or OH plus to removal of MgX3. MgXOH, magnesium halogen hydroxy group. And to formation, this is the primary alcohol. This is the alcohol group. Secondary alcohol group. R on the kanka. So this secondary alcohol group. Aldehyde to react with RMGX and to formation intermediate again to the hydrolysis process and to formation secondary alcohol and to removal of magnesium hydroxy halogens to removal. So next one, ketone. Ketone to react with RMGX and to formation intermediate again to the hydrolysis process and to formation secondary aldehyde తీసుకున్నప్పుడు secondary alcohol కీటోన్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు టెరిషరీ ఆల్కహాల్ ఈజ్ ఫార్మేషన్. టెరిషరీ ఆల్కహాల్. So primary aldehyde to reacted with RMGX and to formation secondary alcohol. Ketone to reacted with RMGX and to formation intermediate and to again to the product is tertiary alcohols. So this is the addition of RMGX. Next, addition of alcohol. Aldehyde to react with primary alcohol and to formation RCH to the OH again to formation RCH and remaining R. This is the OH. And R and OH attack the OR and to remaining OH. Again malli primary alcohol and to formation RCH OR again to the OR dash. So to remove on H plus OH minus, water molecule is removed. This is the acetol. This product name is acetol. Aldehyde to react with primary alcohol. This is the intermediate formation hemitol. This is the amiacetol. And to again primary alcohol to react with acetol and to remove a water molecule. So this is the aldehyde. Ketones. Ketone to react with C11 or to react with glycol. This is the glycol, ethyl glycol, and to reacted or CO again to the O oxygen and CH2 and remaining R dash. This is the ethylene glycol acetol, ethylene glycol ketol, ethylene glycol ketone. Ketone means or CO తీసుకున్నాం కదా, so ketone. So ketone to react with ethylene glycol and to formation ethylene glycol ketone, ethylene glycol to ketone to remove a water molecule. Next H2O to remove a water molecule. So this is the chemical properties of addition of hydrogen cyanide, addition of sodium hydrogen sulfide, and third one is addition of Grignard reagent, and fourth one is addition of alcohols.